Hello and welcome to the channel. A few months ago I bought a 2009 convertible Mini Cooper S with a blown engine. The car has been dead for about 2 years and today we're heading down to the unit to finally start working on the car.
First thing first, guys, let's disconnect the battery. Just to be safe, anytime you're dealing with any electrics, disconnecting the battery is a must. Quick tip for you guys, before disconnecting any pipes, cables or harnesses, take loads of pictures and videos. Having a reference for when you put things back together is crucial, especially if it is your first time doing it. When pulling clips out on older cars like this, be really careful because they snap easily. Save them if you can, if not, you'll have to order replacement, which is what I did. This is the bonnet latch catch. You just have to undo this first. There are a couple of clips holding it together. Just pull them out carefully and try not to break them. Next up, plastic body trims. Be gentle as they love to snap. I have replacements so I'm not too worried, but I'll save whatever I can. When removing the headlights, I ran into a really stuck rusty bolt and the bracket snapped. I tried to be gentle, but it just kept spinning. Sometimes you just can't save them. For the air filter, there's no need to open the case completely. Just undo the screws around it and the filter comes right out. I'm trying to remove things in one piece as much as possible. It makes finding parts way easier when putting the engine back in. Jacking the car up is really easy on Mini Coopers. There's a rail right in the middle, so you can use one jack to lift the front and the back at the exact same time. I use a piece of timber just to protect the rail a bit more while jacking it up. Whenever you use axle stands, make sure they are level. I'm using two different models here, putting the bigger one at the front where it's heavier. Just use the normal jacking points on the car. Do the same thing on the other side to get the whole car off the ground. Wheels are next. I use a breaker bar to loosen the bolts before removing them with the impact gun. This gun makes life so much easier, guys. To make it easier for you, I've added a list of tools that you might need down in the description. Quick tip, if the wheels are stuck tight like mine were, just stop the tire with a rubber mallet, then pry it off. Then slide the wheels under the car for extra safety. Look at how many cables I had to disconnect. The nice part is the connectors are all different, so you usually can't plug them in wrong. Next are the crash bar bolts. There are three main ones and a tiny one. Let's pull them out. These are the subframe bolts. I soaked them in plenty of WD-40 to help them come out, as they were really tight and rusty. Same process on the passenger side, and the subframe is ready to drop. It's time to drain the fluids. I'm starting with the antifreeze. Make sure you have a large enough container to catch all the liquid, otherwise you'll end up with a massive spill. Getting the final bolts off the front now. And again, when disconnecting pipes, don't forget your pictures. These are the few bits to disconnect before pulling the entire front of the car off, radiator and all. On this particular car, it pretty much all comes out in one piece. I tried to leave the AC condenser attached, but as you'll see in the next video, I had to remove it. Not a big deal since the system was already empty. No harm done. In the next video, we'll be pulling the engine out. To see how that goes, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe.
Whew.